Are you looking for a new trading edge in 2024? Well, you could do far worse than learn and master Renko charts. They are a fantastic chart type for possibly giving you that edge. They've worked very, very well for me over the years. I first came across them when I worked for a Japanese bank back in the 1990s, and since then, they became one of my best friends. Now, to the uninitiated, they can look a bit confusing, a bit nonsensical, but please give them a chance, because once you do, they can create many fantastic strategies and ideas, and a new concept way of adding in the Western maybe approach of traditional indicators on top of this Japanese way of doing technical analysis to, like I said, create that edge that you might be looking for. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through my free course on YouTube channel. That's the TheStopHunter, and I'm going to show you how it works, how you should work your way through it, what's important, what's not. Just a quick overview of the playlist, how you find it on the channel, and hopefully it's going to get you started, motivated into learning about Renko charts. Like I said, fantastic chart type, well worth the time and the effort. So with that, let's get into the free trading course on Renko charts on my channel. So first of all, let's find that playlist. It's obviously on my channel at TheStopHunter, and you can see the handle for it. We just scroll down to playlists, click on playlists. You can see there's loads of them in there for all sorts of different things. I think we've got about, as it says there, 623 videos so far. Lots of other ones on technical analysis generally, different markets analysis. It's all in there. But once in there, playlist, you can see there, we've got the Learn Renko Trading playlist. We click on that. Let's not start the adverts. Down the right hand side, you can see all the videos involved in the playlist. So let's dive into a bit of the detail about the course and how it works. Now, as it says there, work your way from the top to the bottom of the playlist to become a master of the Renko chart. So at the top, let's go into the content in a bit more. Why do you want to be using Renko charts? 5 great reasons there. And then really this is the bulk. This is the one you don't want to skip. It's the course, about 2.5 hours long. It tells you everything you need to know about the Renko charts to get started. I think it's one of the definitive versions of Renko around. So please concentrate on that one, and then work your way through, because you have questions. It's a learning curve, and I've hopefully supported that main bulk course there with this other content, suggestions, ideas, how to build strategies, etc. And as you're going to see, and shortly, how that will develop out your skills as a Renko chart trader. So 5 more top tips for trading Renko charts successfully. Get asked quite often, best trading indicators to use for Renko charts to create those strong strategies. They're in there. For those who use TradingView, we've got 4 different videos here. How to set up the Renko charts, basically on the platform there. Very popular now, TradingView, and a lot of people using Renko charts there. Then how can you, where can you set up the block sizes? How can you set up alerts? How can you add on indicators? And for those MT5 users, you'll know, or MT4 users, you'll know that you can't readily get your hands on a Renko charts on that platform. So, this video shows you how to do that. Then, very importantly, one of the key videos, it's covered in the main course, but it dives into a lot further here. Number 1 tip: how do you get that correct block size? Key for Renko charts to work. And then following some other top tip videos discussing further time frames that have been introduced into the Renko chart, often traditionally set as a non-time frame chart. Now time frames are in the mix. How does that work? And then we've got a time frame cheat sheet that you need to know about, and then we get into some strategy. How to use Fibonacci on the Renko charts. What are the rules to drawing trend lines and patterns, and how can you max the power of your Renko chart by using them? My 4 favorite profitable Renko chart trading patterns revealed. How you can use volume in Renko chart trading. Yes, you can, and it's doable, and this is how you do it. I've been running Renko, like I said, for a very long time, and I've built my own automated Renko custom software, producing some very good returns over the years. Just take you through how I did it in there. Then we get into some really good strategies that you can adopt, develop, learn from yourselves. We've got one here with a high win rate and risk return. How we can add VWAP into day trading. 6 hot Renko trading strategy ideas to help give you an edge. Some hacks. Here's another strategy around donkey and breakouts. How you can copy my Renko trading strategy system we just talked about. Another scalping strategy. How you can utilize forex trading in Renko, and how you can find the best pairs to trade using Renko very quickly and easily. And then there's lots of different types of Renko chart now. This one discusses the difference between wicks and non-wicks in the Renko chart world, and then finishing off risk management, trade management key also to help making and saving money. Some tips there for how to do it. So like I said, work your way from top to bottom, and you're going to be pretty well covered in the world of Renko chart trading. And then once you've done that, I've got a further in-depth course if you're interested. Again, in the playlists that will, it's called Ultimate Free Trading Course, and that covers in more detail things like trade and risk management, psychology, those other elements that are key to your learning trading success. And like I said, it's all free out there on the YouTube channel. Now, like I said throughout this video, Renko charts are a fantastic technical analysis tool. If you want to get yourself an edge in 2024, like I said, you'll do far worse than start with Renko charts. A really, really powerful technical analysis tool. I've been using them for 30 years, and they've been fantastic for me. And all the information you need is here for free in YouTube. No catches, it's all there. Work your way through it. Ask me questions in the the comments below, and I'll be happy to try and get back to you with the sort of answers that you are looking for. And to save you a bit of time, so you don't have to search the channel and get to that playlist, that link to start the course is coming up now.